In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a drop-down list in Excel. Drop-down lists in Excel are fantastic for ensuring consistent data entry, and today I'll walk you through the process of tweaking these lists to your needs, whether that involves adding new options, removing existing ones, or creating a list from scratch. First things first, to access and edit your Excel documents, we'll begin by navigating to free Microsoft 365 online. This excellent resource allows you to use Microsoft Excel directly from your web browser, which is especially handy for those who prefer not to use the desktop application or are working away from their primary computer. Upon reaching the site, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft account. This step is straightforward. Simply click on the Sign In button and enter your email address followed by your password. If you're new to Microsoft's online services, it might prompt you to create an account, but worry not. The process is quick and, more importantly, free. Once you're signed in, it's time to get your hands on your Excel document. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using a sample document. You can follow along by opening any document you have that includes a drop-down list you're looking to edit. Navigate to your document and let's dive into the actual editing process. With your document open, you'll locate the cells that currently contain the drop-down list you wish to edit. Highlighting these cells is your first step, so click and drag your mouse across them to do so. This action signals Excel which specific data entries you're planning to work with. With the cell selected, your next move is to click on the Data tab found in the Excel ribbon. This is where all the magic happens regarding data validation, which is just a fancy term for controlling the type of data entered in your workbook. Under the Data tab, look for the Data Validation button and click on it. This action opens a dialog box, which is essentially your control room for managing drop-down lists in Excel. In the data validation settings, you'll see an option labeled Allow. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select List. This selection tells Excel that you want to restrict data entry in your chosen cells to a specific list of options. Now it's time to specify what those options are. In the source box within the data validation dialog, you can type in the items you want to appear in your drop-down list, separated by commas. Alternatively, if you have the list options in your spreadsheet already, you can simply select the range in your Excel sheet. After setting your list items or selecting your source range, make sure to click Apply. This action confirms and saves the changes you've made, effectively updating your drop-down list to match your specifications. But what if you need to make further adjustments or perhaps streamline your list to a single choice? No problem. Return to the data validation settings by clicking on Data Validation once again. Here you can remove the current source and replace it with a new range or set of items, depending on your requirements, whether it's tweaking the list to include additional options or paring it down to a singular choice. This step is crucial for ensuring your drop-down aligns perfectly with your data entry needs. Don't forget, after making any adjustments, clicking Apply is essential to save these changes, ensuring your drop-down list reflects the most up-to-date information. And there you have it. Editing drop-down lists in Excel might seem daunting at first, but as you can see, it's quite a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. These lists are incredibly versatile and can significantly enhance the accuracy and efficiency of data entry in your spreadsheets. Remember, the steps we covered today can be applied to any Excel document you're working on within the free Microsoft 365 online, offering you the flexibility to manage your data effectively, no matter where you are or what device you're using. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With your newfound knowledge, you're now well equipped to tailor drop-down lists to your specific needs, ensuring your Excel workbooks are both user-friendly and precisely configured for your data collection objectives. Happy editing and see you in the next video.